The Mint documentary takes viewers on a refreshing journey into the world of mint, exploring its aromatic allure, diverse varieties, and its impact on everything from culinary delights to holistic well-being. The documentary begins by introducing the audience to the origins of mint, its historical uses, and its widespread cultivation across different cultures. Discover the ancient roots of mint and its significance in traditional medicine and culinary practices. Explore the rich variety of mint species, from peppermint to spearmint and beyond. Botanists and horticulturists guide viewers through the characteristics that distinguish each type of mint, highlighting their unique flavors, scents, and applications. Step into the lush fields where mint is cultivated, and witness the meticulous process of growing and harvesting this aromatic herb. Farmers and experts share insights into the ideal conditions for mint cultivation and the care required to maintain its vibrant flavor and fragrance. Join chefs and culinary enthusiasts as they showcase the diverse uses of mint in the kitchen. From refreshing beverages and salads to savory dishes and desserts, mint adds a burst of flavor and a touch of sophistication to a wide array of culinary creations. Delve into the medicinal properties of mint, exploring its role in traditional and modern medicine. Herbalists and healthcare professionals discuss the health benefits of mint, from its digestive properties to its use in aromatherapy and essential oils. Embark on a global tour of mint-infused traditions and recipes. From Moroccan mint tea to Indian chutneys, discover how mint has become a staple in cuisines around the world, reflecting its universal appeal. Explore the ecological aspects of mint cultivation, examining its environmental benefits and challenges. The documentary sheds light on sustainable farming practices and the efforts to minimize the ecological footprint of mint production. Minted Essence, the Mint documentary concludes by celebrating the timeless charm and versatility of mint. Whether as a culinary delight, a soothing tea, or a fragrant addition to skincare, mint has left an indelible mark on our senses and cultures. This documentary invites viewers to appreciate the essence of mint and consider its diverse roles in enriching our lives.